Oke, mulai ya. Okay, hello everyone. Today I will start my presentation. That is discussing about artificial intelligence. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself first. My name is Gunawan, number 9 from Fellow Science 1. Okay, now I will start my presentation. Share screen and then this one. And then nah. Okay. First is definition of EA. What is EA? EA is the ability of a computer or a robot controlled by a computer to the tasks that are usually done by human. So for simply, there is a skill when a computer have, and then we are a human give a command and text for the computer, and then computer can do it a job you're given. Anything, what do you want? And then the next is sort of story EA. EA have a long story and then a big story. But now I will give you an explain of short story of EA. EA started in 1940 when a new computer began in the world. And then until 1955, Noel, Simon, Alan, and John developed it again for the better until EA can use for the public. There is a short story of EA. Next is to learn an EA. You can learn EA in your own, whatever, anytime, and then you can learn in your home, maybe like that. Then this is I give a 9 example you can following to learn an EA. Number 1 is understand the math behind machine learning, because in the programming very use about a math. And then number 2 is build a strong foundation. You must have a big foundation in your mind, because EA is very wide. And then 3, brush up on Python. Python is very useful in the programming. And 4, searching the internet for free resource and online course. There's many online course and many group in the social media, like platform online, like Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, or anything. 5 is get comfortable with abstract thinking. Just thinking about expectation. Don't thinking anything. You must thinking about a big thinking like expectation, like that. And 6 is start building simple things with EA algorithms. And 7, learn how human insight and computer programming is intersect. And 8, learn how to gather the right data. And then the 9, the last, is familiarize yourself with different types of EA. EA have many types, and you can choose one of EA. Next is main goal of EA. EA have a big main goals, but now I will give you a little of main goals of EA. There is to enable computer to perform such intellectual tasks as discussion making, problem solving, perception, and understanding human communication. Main goal of EA is growing according to the time. Yeah, like that. Next is benefit of EA. EA have many benefits, but now I give three benefit of EA. That is reducing in human error, no more about human erroring. Takes risks instead of human, and helping in repetitive job. And then the next is component of EA. EA have a component that is learning. You must learning about algorithms, Python, and anything in programming. And then problem solving, you must solve your problem in your mind. And then reasoning, this is what I say in the last. You must have a big thinking and wide thinking. And then perception. This is a very, you must have a perception, a wide perception, like that. And the last is language understanding, because in programming is very used about English. You must understand about programming language. Like that. Next is type of EA. EA have a type. Many type you can choose of EA, but now I give a three type of EA. Number one is symbol manipulation EA. This is a first EA in the world. In this EA, you use this is use abstract symbol. So you must understand that symbol, because if you don't understand, you cannot create an EA. And then neural EA. Neural EA is very popular in computer scientists, because in neural EA can give an explanation clear like your brain. And the last is neural network. This is EA in this era, globalization era, because now we very use our network for opening on apps like that. And the next is the apps that use an EA. In this era is many apps used on EA like Google, Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, and anything. Yeah. And then the advantage and disadvantage of EA. EA have an advantage, many advantage. That is, can help with repetitive work, can provide confidence with a faster way of working, consistent and meticulous result, more permanent as it is not easy to forget because it uses a computer system. Easier to duplicate and deploy quickly and easy. And then the disadvantage of EA is that EA is slowly replacing a number of repetitive tasks with bots. Business look toward more error-free and risk-free work, which has resulted in the death of many job opportunities. And then the last is father of EA. They are the father of EA is the John McCarthy, Alan Turing, Noel, and Simon. They are a creator plus a developer on EA. Okay, that's all my about my presentation. Before I close my presentation, I just want to give you one thing, that is, don't lose from EA. If you lose from EA, you are being a loser, and then your life is game over. So now, don't lose from EA, because now on globalization era, you must most intelligent from EA. That's all. Thank you for attention. Thank you for attention, and thank you for watching me in my presentation. Have a great day, and thank you guys. See you. Dah. Dah. Dah.
Cek taunya udah kerekam.
Ya Ci, Toto nggak kerekam. Oh, kerekam dong.